everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and run an uncensored AI model locally on your system using Ollama. I'll also share some alternative models that you can try and compare for yourself. So let's get started. This is the model we'll be using today. I'll show you exactly how to download it and run it on your local machine. The creator also provides several other models, so you can choose one that best matches your system's hardware and performance requirements. You can also use which LLM to find out which AI model is the best fit for your system's specifications. It can help you choose a model based on your available RAM, VRAM, and overall hardware. However, that's a topic for another video. If you'd like to try it, you can install it by running pip install whichlm. For now, let's focus on downloading and running this model with Ollama. Now, to download this model, run the following command. You can't download it directly through Ollama in this case because it may return a 500 error. Instead, use this command to pull the model manually. The great thing is that you're not limited to this specific model. You can download any model you want. Just replace the model link or name with the one you'd like to use. Once the download is complete, you can verify that the gguf file was downloaded successfully by running the following command. This will list all gguf files in the current directory along with their file sizes, making it easy to confirm that the model downloaded correctly. You can also use a simple ls command if you just want to check whether the file is present. Now we need to create a model file for Ollama. Run the following command. Nano model file. This will open the Nano text editor. Inside the file, paste the content I'm about to show you. Once you've pasted everything, press Ctrl+X to exit, then press Y to confirm that you want to save the changes, and finally press Enter to save the file with the name model file. After that, we'll use this model file to create and run the model in Ollama. Now it's time to add the model to Ollama using the model file we just created. Run the following command. This command tells Ollama to create a new model named Gemma Uncensored using the configuration and gguf file specified in the model file. Depending on the size of the model and your system's performance, this process may take a few moments. Once it's finished, the model will be available in Ollama and ready to use. At this point, the model should be ready to use. In my case, Ollama showed a 500 error during the process, but don't worry, that doesn't always mean the model creation failed. To verify whether the model was actually added, run Ollama list. Now that the model is installed, you can start it by running Ollama. Once the model loads, you can chat with it directly from your terminal and test its responses. If you prefer a coding assistant workflow, you can also connect this model to tools like Claude Code by configuring Ollama as the model provider. That way, you can use the model for coding tasks, code reviews, and project assistance right from your development environment. You can also use it with Hermes or other applications that support Ollama-compatible local models. As long as the application can connect to your local Ollama instance, you should be able to use this model without any issues. Now let's test the model with a few prompts. My RAM is pretty busy right now with other tasks, so the responses are taking longer than they normally would. I'll fast forward through the waiting time so you don't have to sit through it, and then we'll take a look at the outputs. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which models you'd like me to test next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.